Hey everybody, Jason Navant here with Highland Construction on Renovate, Alaska. And on a job site here, we've got a job where we're putting in a French drain along a building, and there's a lot of drainage issues going on here with this building. And so we're putting some perf pipe in, and we're going to drain it out towards the lake there to control some of the water, and also stub out for future rain gutters on the side of the building here. So that's the project. We're on site here doing a French drain along this building, and so far progress is going really well. No major issues. Basically we're excavating down below grade about 10 feet to install a French drain here. There is a basement level with a pool that is about 5 feet deep, so we got to reach that depth for our perforated pipe so we can drain this foundation properly and out to this below this hillside grade right here. So that's what's going on. What we got to do now is install a sump pump in this location here, because right behind me there is a sewer line, and we've got to pump the water over the sewer line because it's right in the middle of where our French drain was going to go. But anyways, we've got a solution for that, and we're proceeding, and we should be looking good here in the next couple of days. This is the project behind me. We've got a drainage issue, and what we've done was basically run a pipe. Well, first we've dug around the foundation of the building down about 10 feet to where the pool elevation is at the bottom of the pool footing, and we've installed a curtain drain, and we've run it all the way out here basically to drain at this at the bottom of the hill here. So, and then we've got heat trace going to be going in. There's rain gutters in the building. There's a downspout that's still missing in that corner up there. There's a stub out for a pipe for the rain gutter, and then heat trace will be run all the way down to the pipe here, so that to prevent any freeze up for the water, because it's above the frost line. So that's where we're at in progress.